All right, we have our text up and going, so let's go ahead and finish up with what we got going on here. So as you can see, we got our caveman text up. You know what? Let's blur this out just a little bit. Let's go to filter. Let's go to blur. Let's go to Gaussian blur like so. And it says this type layer must be rasterized. We're gonna go ahead and hit OK because we don't mind that. So let's say 2 pixels. Actually, let's try. Let's see what 4 looks like. 4 might be a bit much. Let's go to 2. 2 looks pretty good. Just a slight blur like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click down here, and we're going to choose a new layer like so. And in our new layer, we're going to go ahead and go Filter. Let's go down to Render. Let's go ahead and render some clouds. There we go. And let's keep rendering clouds until we get a nice look that we want here. I'm thinking something like that. That looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and stop here, and we'll pick this up in the next part.